In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Hubspot 2FA or two-factor authentication in just 5 minutes. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Hubspot account, protecting your valuable data. Now let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to the Hubspot homepage and click on the login button. You can easily find this on the top right corner of the screen. Once you're there, it's time to enter your email address, type in your email and click on next. If you signed up using Google, click on sign in with Google and simply select your email address from the list provided. Once logged in, locate the settings icon. It's usually shaped like a gear and can be found in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will bring you to the settings page. On the left sidebar, you'll notice a variety of sections. What we want to do here is click on the general section, which reveals a drop down. From this drop down, select security. Now you're on the right track to reset your two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, click on the option that says set up two-factor authentication 2FA. This will guide you to a page offering various methods to set up your 2FA. You have a few different options to choose from here. Firstly, you can use the Hubspot mobile app. If you already have it installed, this might be the most convenient option. Alternatively, you can use any third-party authenticator app. Google Authenticator or Authy are popular choices and are very straightforward to use. Lastly, there's the option to set up a passkey, which is another seamless and secure method. Moving forward, once you've selected and set up your preferred method, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts might include sending an email to a super admin for approval or receiving a verification code to confirm your identity. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Hubspot two-factor authentication. Remember, 2FA significantly boosts the security of your account, so it's crucial to keep it activated. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. So whenever you need to set up or reset 2FA in the future, you can confidently do it by revisiting these steps. Until next time, stay secure.